Hey, I'm Horsted, and before we start with Let's Recommend, I'd like to say congratulations to my favorite team, Wolverhampton Wanderers. That's it. No, but my first recommendation, the Zipster 08. Hey YouTube, it's me, Zipster. Now, Zipster 08 is like me, a bit crazy, but it's all good. He's no, it just talks to the camera like this, but you can help to listen and watch all the way through. No, but if you haven't already checked him out, I suggest you go and check him out now. He's linked to his site on the screen in the description box. So go and check him out, subscribe to me, and I'll have another video coming out either today or maybe tomorrow. Definitely tomorrow, if not today. And my camera's low on battery. But yeah, that's me signing out. And today's recommendation, I just killed my camera. Today's recommendation is Zipster 08. Check him out. Now, go. Go! This video is over. I'm not doing anything interesting. I said go! Just go! Get out of here! Ah, now you can't see nothing. Goodbye.